Okay, I think we can now down tune the guitar from the standard E, open string, 6 string, down to drop D. Drop D is one whole tone lower than E. So we can achieve that by down tuning the 6 string with the use of the guitar tuner app. So in order to do that, press the 6 string on the second fret, and you will notice that that is a higher note. Actually, that is F sharp. So we can down tune that by loosening the tuning peg. Okay, now that is E. We now go back to E. So if we let it open, that is now drop D.